Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to take a look at the BluReeze. This is a sonic toothbrush, and we're going to take a look at it and see what's included when you purchase home with this. So let's go ahead and open it up. Pretty much the casing and the toothbrush itself, if you guys can see it. I like it. It comes in two different colors instead of one solid color. Let's go ahead and open it up. And look at this. It has clean, sensitive, and widen, and then massage. So it has a couple of molds right here. It has 4 molds right here, and it has a button here. Everything looks like it's seal-proof, waterproof, right? So we're gonna take a look at that part and see how do you charge this too also. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case itself. It has a silhouette of exactly how everything's supposed to be. So you're supposed to put your toothbrush in here, the sonic one, and it all clips up in here. Very simple. That's one. And then you put your toothbrush heads on here. And also there's also a drainage on here for any extra fluids that you have in here. I like this little case already as it is. They give you a charger, and this is a Type-C charger that they give you. And we're going to see how you charge this too. There it is. If you guys can see, it's really hidden. It's underneath, really secure. It's a Type-C connection. That's where you actually charge it. And that's pretty much it. You know, you just put it in together. So they give you all these attachments, multiple actually heads in here, and we're gonna open one of them up, and they're about the same. They're not different, all right? They're all the same, and if you guys can see it, we're gonna put them in place in here, and if you can see the silhouette, it tells you exactly how they're supposed to go, and they could be facing down, so they could get clean, and all the drainage could come out here into the drain to the bottom. We're gonna open up another one. Put them in here. And this is perfect for traveling. If you're going to be traveling, this is your case that you're going to be taking with you. You can take 2 additional heads, like I said, 2, and then they have multiple heads that you could purchase on different areas. So, and they pretty much interchange. Very simple. Today we're going to test it out on some braces, see if they even tangle in there. But this is pretty much what you're going to get when you purchase them at this. Very simple, and they give you a multiple 8 of them that you could interact and change. In case you run out or they start getting a little flimsy, then you could interact with, change them around. All right, for 8 different heads. All right, they're all the same, but they're different in case they run out or they start messing up. And these will last you for more than a year each one. I mean, or it depends how much you pressure you put on your teeth. So let's go ahead and test one out and see how well it works. For demo purposes, we are going to use these bracelets, and we're going to see if this actually tangles up. If you're having kids with any braces or anything like that, we're going to see if it's even worth it. So you could interchange the head to forward or back, but I prefer behind the button, so all the components and everything is right behind me so I could see it when I take it off my mouth. So right now we're going to start with clean. So we're going to start with clean. If you can see the little heart shape, and we're going to see if we could clean it. You could hear it. And it's not tangling up with the braces at all. Not disturbing the actual rubber bands or anything. It's going pretty good, pretty smooth. So anybody that has braces, you're not going to have an issue. All right. And we're going to change it to a different tone. We're going to do smooth, sensitive. This is sensitive. It's a little small, a little shorter. You can feel it, like the tone of it. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. It's not tangling up at all. I'm going to change it to widen. And this is a little stronger here. It's not grabbing to any of the rubber bands or any of the metal pieces. You can see. That's pretty good. We're going to do one more. Massage. This is kind of like a phase. That's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna turn it off, and then we're gonna test it out on somebody. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm supposed to turn it on when it's on there. Change the mold if you want.
It's really strong.
Huh? Yeah, put sensitive. Is that sensitive?
Mm-hmm.